Hello, Michael Kinsler from QTEL Wholesale Limited here in Ireland, and we're going to move on now with the second tutorial here on the admin side of your new shopping cart. And here it is. Here's the front end. Went through it briefly there on the welcome. Basically, you'll get a username and password and you'll just log in, and this is what you'll actually see. Now, you don't have to have any experience in computers, don't have to have any experience in any web design or just about anything. You can actually run from these buttons here your complete website. Hard to believe, but it's true. You can actually run this yourself and make all the modification changes yourself. You don't need to rely on any designers or anybody. So you've just got this now and you're wondering, what do I do next? So basically, just remember now, this is only for training. You won't have any of these set up. So I'm going to show you how to set these up. So the first thing you do is you go into System and you go into Settings. Now this is the most important part, the first part you do in the search engine optimization of the actual website. And just a quick note here, if you're actually going to be doing this, you're actually better off using Firefox, because Firefox is quite fast and it's easy to use, and to be quite honest with you, I like Firefox, end of story. Internet Explorer has no patch on this, and to be quite honest with you, open source Firefox cannot be beaten. But anyway, I'm going to be using Firefox, so just make sure that you have Firefox downloaded. It's free to download and installed, and do all your video training and just follow me. That's all you have to do. So now I'm going to take you through the store name, title, mega. What is all this, you're asking me? So let's go through the actual store name. Now I've got it down as, and I'll bring it in here, I've actually got it down here. I've actually got it as e-commerce store online web design, $120 per year. So if we'll have a look on the website and see where I've got that, and there it is there. Can't go wrong. Okay, so that's your store name. So you can change that to whatever you want. Now we'll come back to the second part, which is the title. Now if we bring back that notepad again, I'll actually show you that. This is how Google see you. Okay, this is how you're going to appear up in Google. Now I've just put in a couple of words here, nothing really special, but you put down your keywords for search engine optimization, and this is most important that you get this right. Hence, this is where I'm starting. So if you look at your website, you'll see e-commerce. Let's bring that back up again. Let's bring that notepad back up again. You'll see e-commerce store, online web design, free hosting, unlimited. There it is there, okay? And that's your title. Alright, that's basically how it's seen. I'll just try that to one side actually. Let me get rid of it over there. Now, how do I actually find out my keywords in here using Firefox? Fairly straightforward. Go up to View and go up to Page Source. Open up that, and I have it here opened up already. I'm going to maximize that out. So you're faced with all this stuff here now, and you're thinking to yourself, now I don't understand a word of that. And you don't need to. There's nothing you need to understand below this line here. You see that there? Title. I'll just take that highlight off. Title. 25 words in there only. Do not go beyond 25. Same with the description. And I'll show you the description. And I'll actually, if you look at there at the end of it, it says free hosting. Now, I'm just going to throw that to one side, and I'm going to show you this now. This is your description, this is your title, and this is your description. So just remember that now, because when you make a change here, it's instant on the website. So I take out free hosting, And all you need to do then is, once you've changed it here, you just save here, and a little boy will come up, success. There we go. So you go back to your website and you refresh. See this blue button here? Refresh. And you can't see any changes. Oh my god, what's happened there? No change. But there has been a change. Go into view, page source. It will come up here. And remember, I had the free hosting. This is the one. This is what's now. See, content management system. And this is the one I had earlier on. Free hosting. It's gone. So remember now, when you're doing a change, you need to refresh the website. Very important you remember that. Refresh after every change, even if you change a comma or anything. And that's very important. Again, 25 keywords. You can't go too many over here, because what will happen is you'll actually go beyond the actual script itself. So keep that one fairly straightforward. Your title 25, and then you've got your e-commerce shopping. That's your store owner. You could put in your own business name in there, your address in there, and then you put in the email address which you'll be issued with, if it's not in there already, and your telephone number, your fax number. You can't change this because this is the bronze package, and basically this is the simple, very effective web template. Now we still haven't finished here, and this is just on the first bit. This is the actual HTML editor, and what I do is I'll go through this on another tutorial, and I'll actually take you through this and show you how to work all these buttons. And basically it says welcome to the demo store web design. Again, here it is here, welcome to the demo store web design. So you don't need to go too many words here. You can actually write in as much as you want in here, and basically every time you do something here, it will actually automatically push this down here. So you don't need to worry about that. So if I take out the web design and just welcome to the demo store, what I'll do is then I'll save the changes, and then I will refresh here, and you're looking to see these will disappear right in front of your eyes. Refresh, gone. That's how fast it is. That's what happens when you do an instant refresh and then save the changes. And that's basically how the whole website works. You just make a change. If you're not happy with it, you can actually go to the cart, the front end of the shopping cart. This would be the front end, this would be the back end, and you just check the changes. So even images, even when you upload a product, go and have a look, or a category, refresh and go and have a look and see if it's right. And that's what I do. I have quite a number of e-commerce shopping carts on the selling, and that's how I do it, and I haven't failed yet. I'll get through all the rest of it now. It'll be fairly straightforward, but I'll do a video on each one, so you don't have to worry about going through each video. You just pick up the ones you don't understand. Okay, so I'll move on then to the next buttons here, and I'll see you at local, and that'll be the next video. Okay, thank you.